Yeah, Gemini API key.
I got that a lot before
Doing what?
when I was built some of the strategies when I was using Google Gemini to go to reach out to it.
Okay.
Yeah. It was, I don't know
Yeah,
what it was.
yeah, I don't know what Gemini would have done. 'Cause an API key could mean a lot of things. This is something very specific. This is because we're making AI strategy, and an
Uh-huh.
AI strategy does need an API key. Like this is exactly correct.
No, no, yeah, that's what I'm saying, but I got that a lot. But did you, I verified the API key like twice, go back, copy it, and do it again. And I don't know, I kept getting that and I just gave up.
Okay.
Yeah, I just gave up.
What,
Like, I'm
what were you
gonna
trying to do? You're
out.
trying to run like alpha picks or something? Like what were you trying to run?
No, I was gonna use Gemini to help pick the best stocks.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I was gonna use a back test. I was gonna tell it, hey, go pick up what are the trend stocks are most likely or most talked about or most searched, and then I was gonna analyze those, you know.
Okay.
So that's what I'm trying to do, but I kept getting there when I was going to use Gemini.
Yeah, it sounds similar. This is exactly why I'm doing this, right? Because as of right now, you need to bring your own API key, but I know
Yep.
that's like a huge pain for most people. So you have to like make an account, then you have to
Yeah.
like put in your credit card, you have to like get
Yep.
that API key, you have to copy it over. It's this really big hassle. But like we already bill people for AI credits. So this could just be part of that usage. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Right? So
Yeah,
that's basically what this is.
yeah, because I did all that. I paid for it. I had to go build out the account in Google and
Yeah.
then get the API key and do all that and buy it and then get so many tokens and then put it in and it still didn't work.
Yeah. So that's exactly what this is to make that
That's good.
process
Okay, that's
easier.
good.
Yeah.
That's excellent.
Yeah. Yeah, because then basically we'll just let you use our API key, but we had to put it behind like a proxy because we don't want to give our keys away, right?
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
so it goes through like this intermediary that like basically like tracks your usage and will like bill you accordingly. That's it.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah. Okay, so first of all, can you explain to me how this AI gateway is built? I think it should be like a Lambda or something like that, so it doesn't cost too much money. And then there's like you know, there's some stuff we had to do around the keys to like make sure that like bot manager could talk to it and all that kind of stuff. And then it's not just for the Gemini API key, but I think we also did this for the OpenAI API key, and I think we should also do it for Grok. And we just build people accordingly and allow them to use any of those. I guess we could let them use Anthropic as well. I think we have all those, all of the above for API keys. But we definitely need to make sure that we obey the limits that people have set or that they have available to them. Yeah, and I generally agree. You're saying what needs to happen is put the AI gateway JWT and AI gateway base URL in dev. Why are you putting a JWT? Like this should be different for each user, right? Each user should have their own key or JWT or something like that. Um, and I really don't want to be spending a ton on KMS or anything weird like that. And then you're saying add node only BotSpot manage AI Gemini API key. Okay. Again, it's not just for Gemini, it should also be for Grok, Anthropic, and OpenAI. And you should have all those keys on my computer already. You just grab them. It's saying confirm the workload session foreign key drop is applied so a backtest ID can be stored. I don't really know what that means. And it's saying stop treating these provider keys as hard requirements when the gateway is up. and use as credits. Yeah, we need a like these are like these specific API keys are different because we can like cover them for the user, right? So that needs to happen. And then also, did this require a LumiBot change or not? And was LumiBot deployed or not? It's saying rewrite the agent skill, system prompt, and eval so the default answers use plan credits. Yeah, we should definitely do that. It should start with an eval. Again, everything should be evals first, test-driven development type of thing. Okay, and they're saying prove with one real dev AI backtest. Okay, so I think I agree with most of your stuff, but I think you need to research this a little bit more thoroughly. And let's make sure that this is all working correctly. It all goes into usage correctly. We have good playwright tests around things. We have good unit tests around things, that this is done in a very secure fashion. That's very, very important here, that these keys don't get out somehow. Um, that we're also not burning a ton of money on AWS as well. This should be very cheap. And yeah, and then tell me, do all that research and then tell me what you think we should do here. What's the to-do list? What's the game plan? Oh, I don't understand why this strategy is trading something called S. I should just be using SPY. That's it. Please make that fix and then let's try running this strategy on the Alpaca unit test account.